Welcome to the new Oregon ticket machine at the University of Newcastle. To align with our environmental sustainability plan, our new ticket machines are designed to reduce waste by switching to a paperless method. Instead of issuing paper tickets, the system uses your car's number plate to register your parking. If you need a proof of purchase, there is an option to receive a digital e-receipt. Let's quickly walk through the steps to get you started.
First, wake up the screen by touching the bezel at the bottom. Select Start and enter your number plate using the on-screen keyboard. After entering your plate number, press Continue.
Select your payment type, either card or coins.
Confirm the duration, your number plate details, and amount. Insert your coins or tap your card on the PayWave reader. Choose Yes Please for an e-receipt and scan the QR code to save it to your phone. Thank you for following this tutorial on how to use the Oregon ticket machines.